Allah allowed Adam and Hawwa to enjoy everything in Jannah. Everything. Except one tree. The command was clear. Simple. Easy to follow. Do not go near it. This was not a punishment. It was a test. Far away, in the unseen corners of paradise, Iblis watched. Waiting. He knew he could not force them. So he whispered. Slowly. Carefully. Patiently. At first, Adam and Hawwa did not listen. Their hearts were pure. Their faith was strong. But Iblis never rushed. He planted doubt. What if this tree gives you eternal life? What if this command hides something from you? The whisper did not attack belief. It attacked trust. And with time, curiosity grew. The forbidden tree stood still. But temptation moved closer. And humanity approached its first great trial. One test changed everything. Follow history recap.